In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to MT4 and MT5 with Vantage Markets. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to secure.vantagemarkets.com and you want to sign into your account, or of course create one in case you don't have one yet. Now, after you do this, you want to go ahead and create your account that you're going to use. So it can either be a demo or a live account over here. I'm going to demonstrate this with a demo account like this. Now you can do that, you can just click open account and then you can get started with either a live or a demo account. After you do that, here you're going to be prompted to actually select what trading platform you would like. So you can either go with MT5 or MT4. I'm going to demonstrate this with MT5, but with MT4 it's pretty much the same process. Now after that, you want to just choose the types, leverages, balance, etc. Press submit and then you'll get your account over here. Now the first time you do this, you'll actually get an email to your email address you signed up with, and in there you'll be able to see the MT5 login or MT4 login, the password and the server. Now what you should do with that is the following. You should open up MT5 or MT4, go to the very top left where it says file, click on open an account, and here type in Vantage, okay? Type in Vantage, click find your company, and then it's going to wait. There we go, over here, there it is. So this is the Vantage FX, okay? What you then want to do is you want to click on one of these. It's going to say which one is the one you have to use over here. Usually it's going to be this one most likely, and then you want to click on next. And here, after a few seconds, when the next site opens up, there we go, you want to click connect an existing trade account. Inside the login button, inside the login field, you want to paste in your MT5 login from your email, which for me is going to be this number. That's also visible inside your accounts on your dashboard inside Vantage. And then under password, you'll be able to see, of course, the password in your email, paste that in here, and then the server should be, of course, the one listed in your email as well. For me, it is the demo one. After that, click on finish, and as you can see, I get a few audio notifications, and right now, as you can see up here, the top left, I am basically connected to Vantage International demo with my demo account, and I can go ahead and start trading. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.